Please don't come over here. Carmelo Anthony's explanation for viral Rihanna Met Gala pic goes left as fans say ex-wife Lala Anthony would punch him. Posted by Angelina Velasquez, published on January. Carmelo Anthony was in fact not ready to risk it all. In the viral photo of him and Rihanna at a 2014 Met Gala after party, the infamous image showed the former NBA star seated and glaring in the anti singer direction. Riri, on the other hand, was seen looking over her left shoulder at the flashing light on cameras with a flirty facial expression. For over a decade, fans have run wild with claims that the then New York Knicks player was plotting a ploy to cozy up to the pop star. At the time, Carmelo was still married to Lala Anthony, with whom he shares a son named Kian. They eventually separated in 2017 and were divorced by June 2021. After a total of 17 years together, 10 of which were spent as husband and wife, cheating rumors, and a 7 years old daughter he welcomed with another woman are believed to have been contributing factors to the relationship's demise. But in a recent episode of Mello's podcast 7 p.m. in Brooklyn, Vicky hosted with the kid Mero, the furniture NBA Hall of Farmer, finally provide the real story to the viral photo. According to him, after the swanky gathering in New York, the likes of other notable, were having a good time at the party. The only hang up is that with the entry of each celebrity guest, photographers rushed to snap a photo. Some of the Met Gala attendees that year include Beyonce and Jay-Z, Solange, Lupita Nyong'o, Kanye West, and Kim Kardashian, Rita Ora, Taylor Swift, and several more A-list faces. The cameras go crazy. It's small in the area, so you see all the flashes. It's commotion. When you walk in there, Melo explained, I finally walk in there and get through the cameras and sit down. Now I found my comfort zone trying to be low, walk in, camera go crazy. There's only one area to go to, and I'm like, please don't come over more here. His recollection continued as she shared, I put my head down and I look up, and she is right there posing, and the cameras is going, and I'm like dependent in their direction now. Knowing the context of the moment, friends are still just as humored by the incident. Knowing the true story makes it 1000% better. Everybody probably thought he was lusting over her, but he really was pissed at her. For picking up his wife, wrote a viewer who commented on the podcast clip on YouTube. Another person typed, that face definitely says why you bring them over here. However, a few people decide not to overlook an opportunity to make a Swiss correct about the All-Star forwards range on and off the court. Niga was looking at her like a streak dinner shirt. I feel ye malo, said one person as another exclaimed, bro, of all the shots you have taken in your life, you pass on this one. Come on, champ. But others saw what many are calling the risk it all moment in a completely different way. One critic said, nah, that was not his energy at all. He was looking at her like, bitch, you had to pause. Right, he was low. She brought all that nonsense right to his doorstep when he was trying to chill. Another wrote, so it was the opposite of lust. And Perpesi was blowing his buzz. He was pissed, while Mello may not have been a suitor. Rihanna is rumored to have dated a number of athletes, including Knicks player J.R. Smith, boxer Dudley, former Los Angeles Dodgers outfielders Matt Kemp, Mamie Head, guard Rusher Levis, and even Los Angeles Lakers center Andrew Byrne. She currently dates rapper S.P. Rocky, with whom she shares two children. As for Mello, he is still on the market, but it's unclear if it's hunting season for him. Please like, share my video and subscribe my channel.